Yo, what's up guys? It's Brando here. Welcome to my channel. I have been working with this GoPro Hero. It is a magnificent, nifty little camera. There's a lot of cool things you can do, but you are kind of suppressed with some of the features as compared to the GoPro Hero 5. I did mention to you on my last video that I will be upgrading, or should I say hacking, the firmware of this GoPro 2018 with the firmware of the GoPro Hero 5. I've been online and I've been looking at multiple forums and videos on how do we hack this little camera. I found out a little tutorial which I will link below. Most of them have been removed because GoPro has issues with this. I will really be looking forward to the raw footage so that we can add some LUTs and color correct. I do know that it will be changed from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel. I don't know how that's possible, but that's what they say on the forums. Let's get started from here. Number one, make sure your battery is over 50%. Guys, stress about that. I don't know why we cannot have a power bank charging this GoPro, but I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to mess anything up. This is my own GoPro. If this thing breaks, then that is just I've got a new formatted SD card in my Mac right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do. Let's go from here. We will have to ensure that our SD card is formatted. I downloaded the update folder from a link that I will put in my description. So let's pick out the update folder right here. I'm going to move it on to my desktop. So move it onto my desktop just because I kind of want to be safe. The second thing is I now have my little SD card here, which is the same 64 gig Samsung I've used before. We are going to just insert it into my MacBook and I've got it open. All I'm doing now is I'm dragging in the update folder into the empty SD card. Voila, done. I'm going to eject this and pray for the best. So remove this card that was in my MacBook and I'm going to insert it into this GoPro Hero. To double check, this is a Hero. It's not a Hero 5. I'll switch my GoPro on. There we go. Just to show you, it only has 1080 and 1440, and show you with the serial number exactly what it is. So I'm leaving the camera recording so that you can see it is the same GoPro. GoPro, turn off. I love that. So we are going to open up this cavity and I'm praying for the best. Let's put it in our SD card. There we go. SD card's in, GoPro's closed. There we go. And there seems to be an update happening. I just want to move this closer so you can see for yourself. It seems to be downloading. I'm going to bring my camera from the front to this section here so that you can see exactly what's happening and how long this takes. So in the due interim, the back screen is off, but the front LCD is on. It seems to be recording. I will leave this on the table and not touch it because I am scared as hell. So I'm going to move this camera bit down. For you to see exactly what's happening. And I will be back in a jiffy. I just decided to put my stopwatch there so you can get an average of how long this takes. So we hear a beep, something's happening. This is all in real time. There we go. We're done. Is anything happening to the back? No. Is it going to restart? I hope so. If you look at the bottom, the little light is flashing. What did it say? Hero 5? What did this say? Hero 5? And let's move this out of the way. Wow. Let's have a look at the new menu. Okay, I like the look of this. So they do say that we have to restart or factory reset. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm really excited. I am really excited. So if you go to About This GoPro version 2.06, or sorry, 2.60, let's just go down and factory reset. And something to look forward to is GPS. This is starting up like a brand new Hero 5. Resolution at 4K at 30 frames a second. Let's just have a look at our preferences. We have GPS. We have audio input. Very, very cool. So to answer everybody's question, yes, it looks like we'll be able to add in the audio adapter for a microphone. That is great. Let's go to stabilization. Wow, I was looking forward to this. We have Pro Tune, video stabilization, auto low light, and manual control. So as you can see, manual control, on and off, auto low light, stabilization. Obviously stabilization is not available on 4K on the smaller models. They deliberately do that because they want you to get the Hero 6 and 7, etc. But I'm cool with that. And Pro Tune. So Pro Tune, what does it help us to do? Pro Tune helps us to have full manual control over our GoPro, and this allows us to adjust all our settings like our ISO, white balance, our color, even the sharpness. I can see audio, shutter speed, and our exposure. I'm really impressed. As you guys can see, it is the original Hero at 4K 30, and I have full access to all of the features on the Hero 5. So thank you for joining me. I will be doing some shooting with this at 4K and I'll be testing it out. Thank you for joining me again today. Thumbs up if you liked this video, thumbs down if you didn't, and subscribe below. To catch me for my newest videos, you can click the bell icon. You will be notified when I have a new video. It was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.